channel. Today I have a special guest, Hayden.
Summerall.
Okay, well that works too. We also made a different slime video on his channel, so go check it out at Hayden Summerall. Let's just say at the end, I guess somehow I ended up in a big bucket of slime. So you should really check that out. And today, as you can see, we have a bubble. We're gonna fill this with slime, then play with it. That's important. Oh, and also we're gonna see who can pop it.
That's hard. She has nails, so it's gonna be easy for her.
This is the slime that I was submerged in, so I'm not a big fan of this slime, but you know, it's good. I'm gonna hold this thing open. We're gonna see how this works. Hayden's gonna pour. She's gotta get it open. Oh, you're so bad. You got it. Wait, my fingers are tiny though.
I got it. It's just slippery.
Here, wait, let me see. I'll try to get it open for you. It's working.
It is working. Oh, all the clumpy. Oh, it's so heavy now. I can't wait for this to be filled up.
So this is how it is so far. Oh, God, that's heavy. And we're gonna put water in it so it will grow a lot.
Oh my.
It feels so cool.
Yeah, keep going. That's crazy. Can you go much bigger, Annie?
Okay, I think this is good. Oh, ew! That feels so weird.
Oh, what?
Do it again and guide it up. Oh Lord, it's going. Lay your body in front of it.
Saved it. I tried stopping it. Pop. We have to get another one. We have to get another one float up.
So, as you could see, that thing just like kept rolling down the hill, and Hayden.
I tried stopping it, but I went down, and my foot slipped on it, and pop, and it went boom and all over.
And all of it went everywhere.
All the time, just. Now we're gonna put this on the side.
No, we are not. We're going to get another one and just fill it with water and have fun.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Okay, so this time we're just gonna fill it up with water.
Ready?
Oh my gosh, this is so much harder to hold.
Oh, it's cool. It's cooler looking with the water.
Look at it. That's good. Let's just keep going. Why not? I should get on top of it.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
No. Ready?
Is it heavy?
It's so heavy. Is it hurting you?
What popped it? I feel bad. You didn't mean to.
Just watch it fall.
It's so heavy, it's gonna be hard to hold. My pop. Oh.
Okay.
It's like waxing in your arm. Ow.
We should just jump on it.
Lay on it.
No, you lay on it.
Boom, snap.
Boom, snap, clap, boom, snaps.
Boom, snap, clap,
Boom,
boom, snap.
Boom, snap, clap, boom, snap, clap, snap, boom, snap, clap, boom, snap.
Boom,
Boom, snap, clap,
clap,
boom, snap, clap, snap, boom, snap, clap, boom, snap.
boom, snap, clap, boom, snap, clap, snap, boom, snap, clap, boom, snap. Boom.
So we are just gonna fill this thing up with water until it explodes. Okay, now like that.
Alright,
Someone has
back
to
up.
stand here. It's coming towards
Dude,
me.
it's so big. This is just in case this bubble pops like it did on Hayden.
Oh, jump on it like that. So we need to like
Get away from the
Jump
rock.
on, before it runs down.
Yeah.
Stop it, stop it.
Jump on it, Hayden.
jump on it.
Quickly, it's gonna run
Hurry.
away.
That was one heck of a dive.
So that was some good payback, except, you know, he got protection, didn't get in his eyes or nose, and, you know, he kind of knew about it.
Yeah, so
And you got to jump on it.
when I jumped in, I saw a lot of fish. The shark, that's why I was swimming so fast. It's pretty scary.
Well, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was a lot of fun. It was crazy. Be sure to check out his channel, Hayden Summerall, and check out the video that we made together. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what I should do for my next video. And bye. See you next time.